Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and today's video we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm premium box for June 2020. So I was a little bit concerned because my box had been actually taped shut. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up the half moon here, but it had been taped shut. It had gotten opened up somehow and then retaped. Like, I think you guys can see the three pieces of tape there. So I don't know what happened, what was going on. Like, when I opened it up, you can see that literally this was not from me. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if they reused a box or what. I just don't know. But that is my Boxycharm Premium for June 2020. We're going to go ahead and get into this. Before we do, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimnies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. If you like this video while you're watching, please feel free to go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you have not already and you would like to be, subscribing is always appreciated too. And as you're watching, if you want to leave me a comment, you're welcome to do so as well. I do have a card this month, which is fantastic. Last month, Boxycharm didn't send out any cards, or at least maybe not to me. Did I not get a card last month? I don't think I got any cards last month. I don't know. Boxycharm, the Oasis. So to me, that would mean that you're going to get a lot of nice, relaxing things. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. There is a piece of styrofoam with something on the inside of the styrofoam. So I'm going to pull that out first, and then everything else is just kind of like stuck in here. So this is from Too Faced. This is the Cocoa Contour, Cocoa Infused Contouring and Highlighting Palette. Yes. So let's go ahead and open this. I think this is going to go in a giveaway, but I do want to show it to you before I, just go ahead and put it away. I love the packaging, number one. It is a soft touch packaging, which is really, really nice. And let's pop this open and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside, and then we'll read to you the description. So there it is. It smells like chocolate the second it opens up. So the highlighters are here, and then the contours are there. And they come in light, medium, and deep contour, and light, medium, and deep highlight. So I could probably use the 4 shades that are light or medium. The deeps I wouldn't be able to use, but I do think it's cute. I appreciate getting it. Like I said, I think this is probably going to come in a giveaway to one of you all. I will say this. I have the original Cocoa Contour. This is what came out before. They discontinued this and brought out the new one. One thing that I appreciated about this, and I still have it, I've had this for years. Number one, it comes with 4 shades instead of 6, and it comes with a little brush. It has light cocoa, medium cocoa, dark cocoa, and pop of light. Okay, so obviously those shades don't really match, but I will use the light cocoa and as like a powder. The medium cocoa I use as a beautiful contour for me. It's a perfect tone for my skin tone. And then I will use the pop of light as a highlighter. The dark cocoa I sometimes will use maybe as like a light bronzer, but I won't use that as like a contour. What I appreciate about the old packaging and the old product is that this came in light to medium. I don't know if it'll focus enough to show you that, but it says light to medium right here. And then they also had like a medium to deep or medium to dark or deep to dark to deep, something like that. They had 2 different shades in the old packaging and the old product that they had, which is very much appreciated by me. And I'm sure people who are at the opposite end of the spectrum of tone, much deeper than I am, would appreciate that as well. I mean, I don't know why you would want a product that you couldn't use all of the product for. So for them to put light, medium, and deep all in one palette, me seems to be counterintuitive or counterproductive, because I would feel much better maybe spending a little bit less money for something that only had 4 products in it, but that I could use 3 or 4 of the 4 products versus these 6 where I could only maybe use 2 to 3, maybe 4 of them. The deeper shades just won't work for my skin tone. And like I said, if you're at the opposite end of the spectrum, you're much deeper than I am, you're not going to be able to use those light colors either. So it just doesn't make sense to me. But this I think is going to go in a giveaway. Maybe one of you guys can appreciate it much more than I would and use like the opposite colors. If you're a deeper skin tone, use the lighter colors for like an eyeshadow or something. If you're a lighter skin tone, use the darker shadows for like an eyeshadow or something as well. So this is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. It says, lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffused, subtle contour so natural and effortless, all they'll see is your perfect bone structure. So I also got variation 28, by the way, in case you're wondering. But this is going to go in a giveaway for one of you all. I will continue to keep my Cocoa Contour, which is way past the 12-month date on here, but I do still enjoy it. At some point, it's going to probably hit hard pan, and I probably will get rid of it. But the replacement just isn't something that I'm interested in. That'll come to one of you all. All right, this product is probably the one that I'm most excited about in here. This is from Glow Recipe. It is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So that is what it looks like. And the description says the Glow brand is Glow Recipe. Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. I like Glow Recipe. Ooh, things are flying at me. I like the Glow Recipe brand. They have a moisturizer that I absolutely love. Okay. Put that lid back on there. It doesn't really smell very much. But avocado doesn't have a strong smell, does it? I don't think it does. I don't really like avocado. I think it's very plain. I don't like the flavor of it. It's just too plain for me. I don't know. My husband really likes avocado. All right. Did I even finish reading the sentence? Probably not. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Used as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. So there you go. That's something I'm actually pretty excited about. Okay. Continuing on, this is probably the thing that I'm second most excited about. This is the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel with notes of Sardinian, Myrto, lemongrass, and wild orange. Now this did have a safety seal on it, but it got stuck in the lid. It smells really, really good. I think I'm going to probably give this to one of my sons actually, but it smells really, really good. So, this is the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day, when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that runs through the cobblestone streets. Free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils, this limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. It smells really, really good. It really does. Like, I'm still smelling it, and it smells really nice. All right, I'm going to pull this out next. This is from Billion Dollar Brows, I think. Yeah, Billion Dollar Brows. It is a two-sided brush. I'm going to give this away to one of you guys because I'm not particularly fond of two-sided brushes. Only because the way I store my brushes, I just don't use them. Does that make sense? I just don't use them. But that is what it looks like. It is the Sculpting Duo brush. And it looks like it's got extra glue on it. So if you get this and you're wondering what that is, it looks like there's some glue on it. Anyway, that's the brush. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the sleeve so that one of you guys can get it. Okay. And like I said, there's a little bit of like extra glue. I don't know. One of you guys will get it, and I swear I didn't put anything on it. So, the Billion Dollar Brows Sculpting Duo Brush, the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. The contour side, densely packed angled brush applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. The highlighter side, tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. So I'm assuming this is the highlighter side and this is the contour side. But like I said, one of you guys will get that. All right, next up is this Kat Von D or KVD Vegan Beauty. They rebranded, or they're trying to rebrand. This is the Inkwell liner in Trooper Black. I just got one of these last month in a blue shade. I can't remember which beauty box I got it in, but it was in a blue shade. And it was really, really pretty. So that's what it looks like. The key to this was you do have to shake it, and then you have to move quickly because it dries super fast and it is matte. But I'm going to go ahead and give this away to one of you guys. I did keep the blue one that I got last month, and I used it. So one of you is going to get this in a future giveaway. So this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Longwear Matte Eyeliner. Meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof matte eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liner's super innovative formula sets the bar even higher with extreme longwear and waterproof, transfer-resistant, smudge-resistant performance. all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte opacity. No layering needed. So I agree. It like when it dried down, it was dry. So yes, but I have a lot of black liners right now, like open, and I'm just not going to be opening another one anytime soon. And I did keep the blue one, so I'm going to be giving the black one away to one of you all. The last item in my premium box is from Zoeva. This is the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Long Wear. That's what it says. So let's see what this looks like on the inside. Yeah, it's just in like a brown matte shade. This actually is not what I thought it was. I thought this was like one of those things that you could clean up your eye with because it says eyeshadow fix, but it's eyeshadow fix as in like it locks it in place. Yeah. This is the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte. Providing the perfect canvas for vibrant eye makeup looks, our Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte, keeps putting it in quotes for some reason, prepares the eye with a long-lasting, crease-proof formula for all-day wear. Enriched with rice silk, the innovative, easy-to-blend eye primer works great for oily eyelids, intensifying eyeshadows while smoothing out imperfections. So, going back over the products that I got in my Boxycharm Premium, I got the eye primer, which is what that is. It's an eye primer from Zoeva. I got the Inkwell liner from Kat Von D, the $1 Billion Brows Brush, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, all three of which will be coming to a subscriber in the near future. I got the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Mask, which I'm really appreciative of, and the Shower Gel, which again, this smells really nice. It really, really does. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so I got 6 products in my premium box this month. They're not bad. It's just products that I personally, half of them I won't use, which is fine, but I'm hoping one of you all will get it, and I'm hoping one of you all will really appreciate the products and be able to use them. So that's why I like to do giveaways, because I have so much that I like to share with you all as well. So that is it for my Boxycharm Premium box for June of 2020. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not already and you would like to be, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, let me know them in the comment section down below. They're always appreciated. And let me know your thoughts on the products that I got in this box. And let me know what you got in your box if you got something different. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!